how I made my first $10,000 per month online and scaled it up to $100,000 a month and living my dream life financially, locationally, if that's a wordy, free. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do the same. Very simple, guys. And remember, before I become successful, I was absolutely broke. I was stuck in a 9 to 5 to open my own business, to failing that business, to be then jumping online and doing drop shipping, Amazon FBA, TikTok automation, YouTube automation, you name it, your boy has done it. So I'm highly qualified to give you guys the source and how to make your first $10,000 a month. So let's jump straight in. First of all, guys, remember, we need to understand, where does money come from? Money comes from the value that you give the world. So first of all, let's work on the value that you give the world. And how do you get value? You need to create skills. You need to stack your skills. So, first thing that we need to do to make your first $10,000 a month, ask yourself, what skills do you have? And if you haven't got skills, what skills do you need to learn? Now, let's give you guys some ideas. Okay, remember, to teach someone something, all you're gonna is one chapter ahead. So say if already you know you're in good shape, you go to the gym. Better if you had like a 0 to hero, maybe you was fat. And now you found a simple formula to lose weight. There you go. Package that up. Make content. Boost your ads. Get yourself a little community. Open a community. Charge people $100 a month. Charge people high ticket. Jump on a course. All people care about is getting the results. Whatever results you have, people will pay you to fast track them to their end results. Very simple. Okay? So, that's one way. Many other ways you can help people solve rich people problems. Okay? You can learn a skill set, and the biggest industry right now is e-learning online, right? So you could learn a skill set that helps people with the online learning coaching offer. That could be Facebook ads, it could be shout outs, it could be content. There's so many other things, but let's not go into too much detail. Let's just stop it as learn yourself a skill, number one. All right, learn a skill. Number two, I generally believe the fastest way to make you 10K a month is making content. Do you know why? People buy from people that they know, like, and trust. So, the old days of just DMing people saying, I can help you out with this, I can help you out with that, it's saturated. No one cares. Just remember, no one cares about you. People just care about what you can do for them. So, create content, be an authority in the space, make sure your content is aligned with the business model that you are preaching, okay? Then people will come to you. And if you want to go to people, then at least when they look on your social media profile, you are an expert. And I don't care if you're like, I don't want to make content. Guys, go to my Instagram, right? Scroll down, Christian_Clayton. Scroll down, you will see that me talking to the camera has only been started, I don't know, a year ago. Mostly, you can do slides, you can do photos, you can do Twitter threads. There's so much things you can do if you're not camera shy. But if you are camera shy, you must like being broke. So if you are camera shy, you're making excuses. I don't want to do it, blah, 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 blah. You're weak. Man up or woman up and just freaking do it. Do you want to be successful? Do you want to get to $10,000 a month? If you do, to live a life that others don't, you have to do what others won't. So, just freaking do it. All right? Those are my 2 steps to making $10,000 a month. I will do a part 2 on this channel tomorrow or the day after. Let's go.